David and I have been married almost 40 years. We have 4 children between us and 9 grandchildren. We came to learn about Winship over 20 years ago. David was diagnosed with prostate cancer. Mine was discovered as I turned 80. I had read information and talked to friends that when one was 75 years old and you had clearer pictures, that you could pretty much forget the mammograms. Well, I did that, and 5 years later, discovered breast changes, so I went immediately. And sure enough, I was diagnosed with breast cancer.
When I first met Nancy, it was clear that she understood quite a bit, I think in part from her husband's experience and in part just from her general knowledge about what developing a cancer care plan might look like. She was definitely there looking for my knowledge and expertise, but also was aware that there wasn't one right answer or one right plan. So after we reviewed the data that we had at hand about her biopsy and her breast imaging, she asked, what are all the possible options here? And I think we're really able to use shared decision-making in the best possible way to come up with a plan that was sort of personalized for what would work for her.
She came in ready to fight this, and she's always sort of had that determined outlook. Curing cancer is not a one-person thing, it's a team thing, and so it's really a strong multidisciplinary team here at Winship, and that's what I think every patient deserves and needs to get through their cancer diagnosis.
The treatment has been incredible. We've been a team, is how it has worked. They've listened to me, and I've listened to them. I know very well that every patient who walks through with them on this journey get the very same treatment I did.
Our hope and efforts are all focused on improving the outcome for every single patient that walks into the door at Winship Cancer Institute. It's through providing exceptional care. It's through offering exceptional clinical trials that provide tomorrow's treatment today for our patients, and to provide the supportive services that are needed for patients to navigate this complex road.
What gives me the most hope for sure is the research and the incredible advancements that are happening today.
We offer new treatments that are not available in the community. We've seen great progress in treating cancer over the past decade, and immunotherapy has been central to many of our advances. Immunotherapy is the 4th leg of cancer care. Originally there was surgery, then radiotherapy, and then chemotherapy, and we've taken a 3-legged stool and made it a stable table with 4 strong legs. Immunotherapy harnesses the ability of the immune system to seek out and destroy cancer cells wherever they are in the body.
This allows for higher likelihood of cure, better likelihood of outcomes for patients, improved outcomes for patients, which were not possible in the pre-immunotherapy era for a majority of the patients. This is what is bringing hope for patients. This is what is providing us with a vision of a future where cancer will no longer be a life-threatening disease. We couldn't be more thankful to Nancy and David for their commitment and support of Winship in every possible way.
Philanthropy is very important to both of us, otherwise the research doesn't go forward.
Nancy and David have been incredibly generous. That's a huge understatement, really, with their time, their energy, their support of Winship's mission on so many levels.
Cancer research in particular is ever evolving, and everything that we can do to further treatments, to push the envelope, to decrease morbidity, all of those donations go to that.
Every donation, no matter how small or large, goes a long way. And we have so many ways in which we can use that to enhance the patient experience, the research mission, and everything that we do.
Nancy and I have supported Winship because I think about my family. It's for us the best that we have experienced in healthcare treatment, and research advances are a part of it, but the people, not only have they been well trained, well educated, but they really have your interest at heart.
I would say to anybody who's been diagnosed that there's no other place to go. It's Winship. The doctors are knowledgeable, approachable, and will fill you with confidence that we'll get through this, and we'll get through it together.